Why should we see a dermatologist? Just because?
You know, that amazes me that of all places, Australia would not have mandatory visits to a specifically trained medical surgical dermatologist. The basis for the Lancer skincare method is always the steps or the program of polish, cleanse, and nourish first. There's always a hierarchy of polish, rinse, cleanse, rinse, and then some sort of nourish, which usually has a variety of hyaluronic acid staged release products. There may be peptides involved, there may be vitamin C involved, vitamin E, and protein derivatives, but they're all of plant origin. There's a need to exfoliate and not just mechanical, but protein enzyme-derived exfoliation first to sort of remove the layer of debris, rinse it, and then there's a cleansing step.
Do you have to remove makeup before you do that?
I think for the people that I see who are in front of cameras all the time, which may very well be the vast majority, we will have them actually do the cleanse, rinse, polish, rinse, and then another cleanse.
Okay, double cleanse.
Yeah, so they'll do a double cleanse, but it's partly encapsulation, plus it has to do with something called interlocking chemistry. It means where one product contributes part of the flavor, and the next product after it augments that benefit.
Wow.
And that's called staged release products. So you may have 3 products, polish, cleanse, nourish. Each one of those contributes a component to the end result.